Hey, what's up, guys? Weaver here. Sorry about the voice, it's slowly but surely coming back. But anyway, I'm going to give a short tutorial on a diagram app that I like to use and have the students use as well. We communicate a lot of our brainstorming and ideas through infographics and through flowcharts. Okay, so you can use this unified model language or a diagram app. There's various ones out there. I think there's Lucid Art or Lucid is out there. I like using draw.io, DRAW.io. Everything's synced to your Google account and everything's saved. Once you open up a project or a diagram, it's saved to your Google. So you'll have to authorize it through your student account or your teacher account, whichever one you have. And you can design a brainstorming idea or flowchart. So we use a lot of these flowcharts before we start programming. So we begin and end our flowchart with an oval. So since we're beginning, I'm going to make that green. So you have all your format tools over to the right, all your properties, and then you could simply just double click and type into your box. So I'm going to say go, and then our next will be a command or an action, and that goes into a rectangle, and you can stretch that how you wish. And let's make that yellow. And then you can change the border if you need to, your point line. So if I'm on my border at 3 point right there, I can make my border a little bit heavier by going to 5 point. Again, you can double click in there to type in your action or command. So I'm making this up as we go. So simple flowchart or algorithm of making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Okay. So let's say get bread. Okay. Then you can connect your ideas with an arrow by hovering over the arrow. Or if you need to, you can grab an arrow from the side on the left-hand side, and you can drag your arrow where you need it to be. You can even reformat your arrow by adding a bend if you need it to bend. And let's make it here. So we're basically connecting our ideas. Okay. If we have a conditional statement, we're going to throw things into a rhombus, stretch it out so it looks like a rhombus, like so. And I can connect my ideas, my thoughts together and keep going. I'm going to pause this and bring up one of my flowcharts, an example, so I can show you what it looks like. Oh, and I forgot to mention that you can even drag your images in there. So I don't know if you use this for English and you need to do a storyboard, you can drag in images. I don't know, first thing that comes to my head is Twilight, I guess. But you can just research your characters and connect the characters and your storyline by simply finding an image and dragging and dropping it into your infographic. Okay, I'm going to pause this and go get my example of peanut butter and jelly sandwich. 1 second. Okay, and again, everything's gets saved to your Google. So I have everything in a root folder called algorithms and flowcharts, and we're going to open that up. And we're going to go to a sample flowchart that was designed in draw.io. It'll open up for you, and then you can open it in draw. And here is the wait for it, finished product of my elaborate algorithm of making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So again, you can add in your infographics or add in graphics to make your flowchart look better. So we have our conditional statement. Do we have all the necessary ingredients and utensils? If no, then we go to the store and we have everything connecting. And then if yes, we have all of our connecting thoughts, and then we end the program. So again, you can use this diagram app to brainstorm, to connect ideas before students actually put their final product together, whether it be a computer science program or a finished English paper. Is basically where students can put their thoughts down in diagram form. All right, that's it. Sorry about the voice. Weaver out.